How to create a glass bar effect in Premiere Pro. This is a fantastic effect that you can use for almost anything. It's especially great for montage videos. But how can you create it? Let's dive right into the video. First, need some footage. I got mine from Envato Elements. If you are looking for high quality footage, check out the link in the description. Next, create an adjustment layer. You can do this as shown here. Place the adjustment layer above your footage, just as I do. Then adjust the transform effect to the adjustment layer. To do this, go to the effects panel and search for the transform effect. Once added, go to the effects controls, check uniform scale and set the scale height to 150. Scale width to 50 and rotation to 25. Then adjust the scale to 130. You shall now see a nice glass bar effect. You can fine tune it by adjusting the scale width to be higher or lower. Experiment with it. Next, we'll animate the glass bar effect. Create a keyframe for the position at the beginning in your clip, setting it so the glass bar effect is not visible. Then move forward in the timeline and create another keyframe, adjusting the position so the effect disappears again. To smooth out the keyframes, select them, right click and choose temporal interpolation. Then select Bezier. Expand the keyframes section and follow my steps to achieve a smooth result. You can also adjust the keyframe length to see what looks best. Duplicate adjustment layer to enhance the effect. I recommend duplicating it twice, but see what works best for you. Consider setting the shutter angle to a higher value for a smoother effect. Try it out and see if you like it. And there we go. You've now created a stunning glass bar effect in Premiere Pro. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.